Abortion rights activists are celebrating a reprieve by the U.S. Supreme Court, blocking for now a lower court decision that restricted access to a widely used abortion pill. CBS's Willie James Inman joins us now for what is next in the legal battle. Good evening, Willie.
Good evening to you, Adriana. The Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals is set to hear arguments in less than a month regarding the FDA's authority over the abortion pill mifepristone. The lawsuit has been fast-tracked by the court and could end up before the Supreme Court once again.
The legal battle over the FDA's approval of mifepristone, the nation's most widely used abortion drug, now moves to the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals in New Orleans.
The Fifth Circuit is a very conservative circuit. I think they tip their hands as to where they're going with respect to that partial stay.
10 days ago, the Fifth Circuit ruled against a sweeping decision by a federal judge in Texas who issued a complete ban on mifepristone. But the court put up restrictions on the drug's use. After an emergency appeal, the Supreme Court weighed in Friday night, restoring mifepristone use without restrictions while the appeals process plays out. A lawyer that pushed for the ban in Texas believes the courts will agree the FDA should have never approved mifepristone.
Courts have found our case compelling because the FDA fails to actually look at the data that they had before it and what our doctors have presented to them, clearly showing that these drugs present dangerous situations to women and girls.
The Justice Department and the FDA dispute the claims in the Texas lawsuit and say the FDA has rigorously reviewed mifepristone's safety and effectiveness repeatedly since it was first approved 23 years ago. More than 5 million women in the U.S. have used the medication. Vice President Kamala Harris says a ruling that weakens FDA's authority would create chaos in the prescription drug market.
Arguably, what they're doing with mifepristone could happen to any one of those drugs in your medicine cabinet.
After more than 2 weeks with mifepristone in legal limbo, some states are stockpiling the drug, including Oregon.
Stockpiling is never our first choice. It's a backup option for extreme situations, which this is.
President Biden says he stands by the FDA's authority to authorize prescription drugs like mifepristone, and the White House is promising to fight against challenges to abortion access. Adriana?
Willie, thank you.